Hello everyone. In this video, I will solve SSTI1 challenge. This challenge is part of picoCTF Web Exploitation category. To access the challenge, click on this button, Launch Instance. So I have already written a blog on this, how to solve this challenge. So basically, SSTI is server-side template injection. So if application is using any template engine, and if user is able to provide data which will directly be processed by the template engine, then it can lead to SSTI attack if there is no proper validation. So first, we will copy this challenge link. So we can open in any browser. I will open the challenge page in Bobsuit Chromium browser. So here we can see this is a simple application page with one input field and OK button is available. So we can provide any random value. Click on OK button. So the provided value reflecting here. Now, if we provide HTML injection payload and click on OK button, so we can notice uh, provided payload executed successfully. So we can understand application is vulnerable to HTML injection as well. But our purpose is to exploit server-side template injection. And by exploiting server-side template injection, we need to solve this challenge. So basically, we need to find out the flag value and submit here. So let's go to challenge page again. So as I mentioned, if application is using template engine, then we can provide malicious payload and we can exploit SSTI. So first we need to understand what template engine is being used by this particular application. So for that purpose, like we can use different payloads. For example, these are the generic payload. For example, this is for Jinja 2 template engine. This one is for velocity. So we can try provided payloads in the input field and see if it will give us the output or not. So let's provide this. Click on OK button. So provided input reflected, but ideally, if application will be vulnerable, it will give output as 49. So we are not getting the desired output here. So we will go back to input page. Next, we will provide this. Copy this value. Click on Go button. So here we can see it is reflecting 49. That means the application template engine processed our provided payload and provided the desired output. Now, to solve the challenge, we need to find out the flag value. So there are different payloads available, which can help us in finding the flag value. So as we understand, application is using Jinja 2. So we will use payload respective to Jinja 2 only. So we can search payloads with respect to Jinja 2 in Google, and we will get multiple payloads. So this is one such payload. So this will basically print the username. So we can copy this payload. So copy this payload, provide in the input field, and click on OK button. So it is showing internal server error. So even in the blogs also, few people mention like they're getting server error while using the given payload in the blog. So we will see like why it is giving server error. So if you notice, this single quotation uh, is actually different. So we need to manually change it using the keyword. Then we can copy the payload. Now we will provide the payload again here and click on OK button. But again, same response. Let me double check. Copy the payload again. So like when we are copy pasting in the browser, maybe some character appear differently. Who am I? Dot read. I think it is fine. Let's copy this again. I will check if challenge is running. Yeah, 9 minutes left. I will just provide random value just to see if application is working or not. It is working. We'll provide the payload again. Click on OK button. Yeah, this time we got the output. So we are getting root for the whoami payload. Now we need to find out the flag. So instead of whoami, we can type ls command here. So just change whoami with ls. So to list the available file. So go back to input field and provide the payload and click on OK button. So we can see two files, three files actually. So this is the flag. So we need to see the content of this flag file now. So to view the content, we can use cat command. So instead of ls, we'll provide cat flag. And if you notice in the blog, so like the same payload provided there, even in the browser again, we can see the single quotation is different in the browser. So we need to copy this payload and manually change it. Even for cat flag also. So we need to manually change this character basically. So if you directly copy paste this payload, it will not work. So let's try the payload again. Click on OK button. So this is the flag value. So we can submit it to solve the challenge. So I hope whoever is facing issue while solving this challenge, they can follow this step and solve the challenge successfully. Thank you.